Make your money online. PayPal earning apps. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Number 1. Blackout Bingo. Over 5 million players agree Blackout Bingo is the fresh, social competitive twist to the classic game where you can win real-world rewards and cash prizes where available. Join Globe Trotting Heroine Chelsea and play in amazing and exotic places with this game and to win real money. Historically, bingo was a game of chance if you were lucky enough to have the right card. You'd win. Now with Blackout Bingo, you are in control. Everyone playing seizes the same balls and cards. It takes concentration, speed, and strategy to become a bingo master. Do you have what it takes? Number 2. Nielsen mobile panel. By using the internet as you do every day, Nielsen invites you to make a difference, and you can make money too. I downloaded this app and make around $50 and $100 passively. It's a legit app. You don't really have to do anything other than initially registration your computer or phone. This company will pay you $50 a year to keep their app on your favorite internet browsing device, and they also give away $10,000 each month, so you can possibly make more than $100. Sign up via here for a registration bonus. Number 3. Survey Junkie. Taking online survey with Survey Junkie to make extra money is a no-brainer. You definitely won't get rich or make hundreds of dollars per day with surveys alone, but you won't waste much time and you can make some money the easy way. This is my one favorite and highest paying survey site. This is a free survey app for your phone that pays you to take online surveys, participate in focus groups, and try new products. And I really mean free all around. Free to join, and they don't charge anything to be a member. They will actually pay you in cash via PayPal. Join for free and get your free registration bonus. Number 4. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another great money app to earn some easy cash for just pushing a few buttons in your free time. Swagbucks pay up to $35 per survey. You can also earn free cash via PayPal for everyday activities like shopping, watching videos, and searching the web. It's one of the highest paying survey sites that actually works. Get started with a $10 sign up bonus. Number 5. Cashy. Cashy Android only is a completely free app that will help you earn free PayPal money into your account. Similar to Misplay, you can discover free games, accomplish missions, and win coins to exchange with gift cards. All you have to do is play, complete mission and you will receive free money. The more you play, the more money you earn. You can always download Cashy for free, and this app doesn't have any advertising, no deposit, no in-app purchases, which is nice. In order to get started earning, you can choose a mission and play your favorite game from the list of games. If you're searching for cash game on Google Play to make extra money while having fun, with Cashy you can play new mobile game and win gift cards. Number 6. Missed play. We all heard the old saying, time is money, right? Instead of playing games on your phone like everyone else and feeling bad for wasting your time, now you can get paid for it. Missed play is a great opportunity for those looking to get paid for something they enjoy, like winning free gift cards and cash for playing games. This legit gaming app has over 97,847 positive reviews in the Google Play Store. Getting paid for playing games sounds like a dream, but this gaming app makes it a reality. As you level up, you can earn more money for cash rewards or gift cards. Number 7. Inbox dollar. The next thing you can do is sign up for Inbox Dollars, which pays you in cash to watch fun videos. Take a survey. By spending just 5-10 minutes per day on this, either on your lunch break or during TV commercial breaks, you can earn an extra $50 a month. Inbox Dollar is legitimate way to make extra money online. Been around for 20 years. Paid its member more than 59 million since 2000, and free $5 welcome bonus. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.